guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It would surely help our channel. Happy reading! Hey everyone, this is chapter 24. Let's start reading. He's a good boy. You're a senior now, and you have such coming up. You must focus on that. Do you understand? Ay, sabi sabihin hindi ka pwede mag-boyfriend, sabi ni Koya. Yeah, I'll study hard. I won't have romantic relationships for now. Good. You can consider it when you are in college. You can tell me if you have a crush on somebody. You're still a little girl. You have no idea how complicated the fickle boys can be. I'll help you screen out the bad ones. We, gusto mo lang ikaw eh. Ano to eh? Ang tawag yan? Yan yung... Ano sa term sa Tagalog? Yun, nakalimutan ko talaga. Sure thing. Pantay sarado. Yung... Basta yun, nakalimutan ko. Sabihin ko na naman pag naalala ko. Look, that's Chu Yan, a senior student in our school. Did you check the gossip about her? I feel sorry for her. Feel sorry? Don't believe it. Chu Yan must have tricked Shu Shuang. I think Shu Shuang is a victim here. Wow, siya pang victim ngayon ha. Chu Yan. Oh, ito yung mga bullies, ano? Oh, siya nga, inagaw yung crutches niya. Nila pa siya. Ba, itong mga alipores talaga ng kapatid niya, no? You shameless bitch. How dare you force Shuang to take that video and send it to the group? Pag-shorter up. Force her? Is that what she told you? Tignan natin. Shuang never lies. She's a kind and gentle girl. I want you to clarify things and tell people you made Shuang do it. Otherwise, I will beat the hell out of you. Yan, yun yung karamihan sa mga bully, no? Mananakot. Gugulpin kita pag di mo ako sinunod, ganun. Alam mo naman nadadaan lahat sa lakas. Okay ka lang, girl? Let her go. I'll break your arms if you dare to lay your finger on her. Si Rongchi. Oh, here comes her shining knight in shining armor. Tagal. Hey, calm down. Nga naman. Rongchi, don't get us wrong. We're just talking here. Nothing dangerous is going on. Wink. Are you sure? Ano lang kayang iniisip ni Rongchi ngayon? No? Parang in doubt siya eh. What a silly girl Chuyan is. That girl is grabbing her collar and trying to knock her with a fist. But Chuyan still thinks she's only talking with her. So parang hitting two birds at the same time. Pinapalabas niya na sweet siya, mabait siya. At the same time, inaano niya yung self niya, pinaprotektahan niya. You didn't mean to beat me, did you? Sa hawak pa lang masakit na yan. Think before you speak. Otherwise, Rongchi will take it wrong and beat you later. Diba? Masakit daw. It hurts. Let me go. Now. I can't believe she's so strong. See? Mayabang siya kanina kasi feeling niya, under niya to. Pero ngayon na nalaman niya na mas malakas sa kanya to. Natakot. How do you like the new pill I gave you that make you strong? It's amazing, right? Ay, may pinainom pala sa kanya na pill. That pill cost 10,000 points, which I could have used to exchange for $10,000. What a pity. But it did work well. It can be used to beat bullies and help the weak. I'm warning you. I will make you suffer if you dare to bully Chu Yan again. Yan. May protector na siya sa school. No, of course not, Chi. I promise. My arm is dislocated because of her. Can you take me to the medical room? O ngayon, pa medical room ka pa. Eh, nakaraan, kinulong niyo siya. That's nonsense. Your leg is wounded. Let me help you. Ito pa yung tinulungan niya. Samantalang yung isa, injured talaga. Oh! And, o diba, kinarga siya. Carry like a princess. What is happening? Rongchi has always been the coolest and most cold-hearted boy in the school. But she's holding a girl now. Ay, sisikat na naman si ate mo, girl. Dahil kay Rongchi. And she's holding Shu Yan, not Shu Shuang. You can put me down now, Rongchi. People are watching us. Ooh. Okay. I'll put you down when we reach the classroom. Siyempre iniisip niya, yung sa car racing, di ba? Siya yung dahilan bakit nabalian siya. Tapos sinave pa siya. Okay, dun sa father niya. Shuang, I thought Rongchi and you were close. Why is he holding your sister? Ay, ganun. Sila pala ang close? Pinalabas niya palang ganun yon. Ngayon, magalit ka be. My sister has hurt her leg. Rongchi just offered to help. Otherwise, she would have to rely on walking stick, which could be challenging for her. Pero nanginginig na yan sa galit. Nanginginig na yan sa selos. I see. I knew Rongchi did it because of you. O diba, pati pag-upo, tinulungan. Eh, bitch, Chuyan, you just sowed discord between Yiting and me, and now you are trying to take Rongchi away from me. Ay, kagabi pa. Di ba sinabi mo, good for nothing si Rongchi, tapos ngayon, galit-galitan ka? You can sit beside me today. I'll tell the teacher you have trouble walking around and I can help you. Okay. O, diba? Sit side by side. Tulog yarn. Di pa nga nag-uumpisa ang klase, tulog na. Rongchi, you can't just sleep like that. The teacher will rebuke you. Ay, may pahawak ng kamay ang kaya mo. Alright, that's the end of this chapter. Let's see what will happen in the next one. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! Thank you for reading with me, everyone.